There is drastic rise in coronavirus patients in Maharashtra. The figures of Maharashtra have crossed 11,000 mark. What is the reason? To check the ground reality, we are at one of the government hospital in Pune, and here you can see a long queue of suspected patients who are here to get themselves checked. So what is the reason for this drastic rise of patients in Maharashtra? To talk on this topic with us, we have the superintendent of this Naidu Hospital, Dr. Sudhir Patsute sir. So what do you feel? What does your experience say? What is the reason for this drastic rise of coronavirus patients in Maharashtra?
See, in the past 2-3 weeks, I feel that the level of awareness has gone down.
Do you feel that one of the reason is that they are trying to cure themselves at their home?
Yeah, I feel the people are reporting late. I will advise all the citizens to follow all the protocols and report to the nearest hospital as soon as they have any symptom.
When these patients are, or these suspected patients are reporting over here, what is the clinical finding about the pneumonia patches or other clinical things?
It is our observation that many patients are reporting late. Many patients who at the time of admission have a score of more than 15, CT score of more than 15. That indicates that they are getting admitted at later stages.
What would you advise them other than taking all the precautions like wearing masks? Do you feel that the virus that has mutated is also one of the reasons?
No, I don't think so. The virus has mutated. The clinical presentation is the same as in the last year. There is no need for the public to get worried. It is only that we have to observe all the COVID protocols properly, and I am very sure that we will be able to control the cases.
Vaccination will help herd immunity?
Yes, the vaccination is going to help in a great way. Now that the government is providing free vaccination to all the people above 60 and to all those who have comorbidities, I will ask all the citizens to utilize this opportunity and get themselves vaccinated.
My name is Dr. Subhash Salunke. I used to be the Director General Health Services of Maharashtra State, and then afterwards I was with World Health Organization as a Chief of WHO Indonesia. At this juncture, I am Technical Advisor on COVID control for the state of Maharashtra. Misunderstanding about the COVID situation is primarily responsible for transmission increase, rather than saying, oh, now the COVID is gone or is on the way out. No, sir, it is not on the way out. It is not that there are barricades put around the borders of Maharashtra. It is not. And that is the reason what is happening in the states like UP, Bihar, Punjab. Punjab you are seeing right now spurt in cases. Delhi there is spurt in cases. How do you believe that what is there in UP, Bihar and Bengal that this virus will not get transmitted? Absolutely no reason. Absolutely no reason to be complacent. On the contrary, there is every reason that what we are seeing the picture today in Maharashtra in March can be seen in April and May in the northern India and also in the eastern India. Definitely. Vaccination is one key factor that will alter the picture, and that vaccination has to be on a larger scale. What we are doing is absolutely, to put it in a simple word, peanuts. Thousands of people getting vaccinated or lakhs of people getting vaccinated in Maharashtra or rest of the country will not prevent propagation of this virus in the country. Take a classical example of the Europe. In Europe, many countries have already done a lot of vaccination, but Germany, yesterday's news is that they have put sort of a ban in movements and lockdown in some cities or some parts. What does it reflect? It reflects that in spite of the vaccination and in spite of the progress that was achieved earlier, there is no guarantee that this particular disease is going to go away in next few months. It won't happen. Definitely won't happen, and I think it is better to err on the safer side.
So the doctors over here at this Naidu hospitals, they are of the opinion that last 2 weeks they are experiencing that there is drastic rise of coronavirus suspected patients in the hospital. Here also you can see large number of people waiting in queue to get themselves checked and then get the treatment of coronavirus. But the main reason for this drastic rise, what is told by the doctors over here, is the carelessness by the people, that they have forgotten the social distancing norms, they have forgotten to wear the mask, and these social distancing norms, if followed properly, then we will definitely be able to control this pandemic. With cameraman Gopal Harne, this is Pankaj Khelkar in Pune for India Today.